Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Soul. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, cargo area light, trip odometer. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.